cost of poor quality or cost of quality concept was introduced. This is all, I mean, the factory system was developed. Taylor introduced the principle of scientific management around 1980. Then this is another one. Sheward introduced SPC. He is called as the father of statistical process control. History of quality around World War or something. Then Deming says that learning is not compulsory, neither is survival. Nobody says that you should learn. It is not compulsory. But if we will not learn, it is difficult for us to survive. That is the philosophy what he preached. Then Japan was considered as the hallmark of quality because they started adopting Six Sigma SPC in a more effective manner. Ishikawa diagram, we know all these things. Concept of internal customer fishbone diagram. Morita was the Sony company. Then you can see after seeing the success of Japanese manufacturing company, America thought that if Japan can, why can't we? So Deming was hired by Ford as a consultant, and the Deming was the Japanese person. Role of this person is seen. The first World Quality Day was celebrated on November 9, 1989. And these are all theory. We can see various comparison, inspection, what it involved, SQC, TQM. Then this standard award, Malcolm Bulbridge Award, were introduced around 1995. Six Sigma methodology developed by the Motorola in around 1985. Then General Electric, Jack Welch was there. ISO 9000 revised in year 2000. Lean manufacturing concept. 7 West were introduced and applied by the Taiichi Ohno think tank of Toyota Production System, Shigeo Shingo, SMED, Poke-Oke, just-in-time source inspection. Steve Jobs has given very good definition of quality from today and near future perspective. He said he died in 2011. That's what I may be wrong because I do not have time to read all this history, but it is mentioned over here. Somebody from us may be knowing much better about him, but what is mentioned over here. He said that we are supposed to continue to do innovation, pleasantly surprise our customers and competition, and increase the speed of our business process. So indirectly, he was saying about Lean also and Six Sigma. If we want to increase the speed of our business, we are supposed to identify non-value-added activities. That means the waste of all these things, so that we can deliver the product in minimum time from raw material to the delivery. That indirectly he has said. Henry Ford, quality means doing it right when no one is looking. This is very simple. This is the definition of quality from this, you can say, the dictionary. This Japanese quality guru has also given some definition. Quality has to incorporate conform to specification, fitness for use. You are supposed to delight the customer. What does quality mean? Internal and external customer satisfaction. Because before the internal employee are satisfied with their work, then obviously the external customer who is standing, who is just sitting or waiting outside your premise must be satisfied. So that is the concept of internal customer satisfaction emerged when we have started implementing TQM. Quality means these are some of the more things. There must be the way how the worker is thinking, how the plant manager is thinking. This is the book, this slide I have taken from the book of Mohanty and Lake. In order to achieve the excellence of the company, they said that these two things are required. One is strategy. Quality as a strategy, conscious and deliberate search for a plan of action that will develop the company to achieve competence. So quality as a culture, that means the philosophy, tools and techniques of TQM must be amalgamated, inculcated in the behavior pattern of everybody in the company, including the customer and the supplier. So that is the two things as per them. This is very important, and they have rightly said. Old quality and difference between these two. Quality is prevention, customer is productivity. Quality means higher productivity, because if you are involved in cost of poor quality, reworking, reprocessing, that will lead to misuse of resources. And when that is the situation, the productivity is low. So higher quality means there will be higher quality. Higher productivity. A company which is having poor quality, the productivity will also suffers. What does quality mean to the public? एक घंटे के लेक्चर के बाद जब मैं हमारे स्टूडेंट को कहता हूँ कि अगर आपको कहे कोई कि भाई आपने क्वालिटी का इतना सब पूरा माइंड में ये सब लिया, तो व्हाट डज क्वालिटी मीन टू द पब्लिक? सो दिस इज सम थिंग व्हाट यू कैन various dimensions of quality: safety, performance, reliability. This is all basic. I am not various dimensions of service quality. That means the quality concept applicable to healthcare, applicable to insurance, applicable to banking sector, applicable to technical education system. So, the basic sort of dimensions are these. You can say responsiveness, competence, accessibility, courtesy, communication, right, credibility. So these are the dimensions of that. Because in order to customer satisfaction, some of the basic things are required. Quality of design must be good. Quality of conformance, availability, field service. SQC, company-wide quality control term introduced. That means every department is involved in improving the quality. Not only manufacturing and quality control department, every department, R&D, purchasing, inspection, all are involved. So all functions, departments must be responsible for quality. These are some of the names. And another one. So cost of quality or cost of poor quality is a very good term which is being used in the industry. You can see visible cost. Above the sea level, you can see scrap, rework and warranty cost. But this thing you are seeing as visible. But there are many things which are not visible. Those things we can call as hidden. So the industrial engineer has to identify which things are hidden. As per example, lower efficiency of a boiler is a visible waste. Obviously, lower efficiency of steam generating station or a boiler, 68% है या इतना है वो है, is a visible waste. But the heat loss which can be and which should be recovered to supplement the cost of fuel is a hidden waste, right? So industrial engineering department has also to continuously work for the hidden things what are there in over here. When you working in the industry, you can see that in the machine shop some scrap is lying. The people are doing reworking or reprocessing, readjustment. But the industry has to find out why this is occurring and what are the reasons for elimination or reduction of all these things. So the thing which you cannot see are hidden. Loss of customer goodwill is a hidden thing. So these are, and with this diagram, we can see that road accident is the visible waste, right? Road accident, at every 3.5 minutes, an individual on the road in Indian society loses his or her life. वो मतलब 3 साल पहले 4 मिनट था. हर 4 मिनट में एक इंसान रोड एक्सीडेंट पे अपनी जान गंवाता है. बहुत दुखद है. और अभी वो 3.5 मिनट तक आया है. In this corona thing, the last 2-3 months, that data must be very good because there is no traffic. बट इन नॉर्मल सिचुएशन 4 साल पहले हर 4 मिनट पे एक शख्स अपनी जान गंवाता था रोड एक्सीडेंट पे। अभी वो कहाँ पहुंचा है? 3.5। नाउ इफ द थिंग्स विल स्टार्ट नॉर्मल आफ्टर 2-3 मंथ, देन अगेन हर 3.5 मिनट में 1% जान। सो दैट इज the loss of life is the visible waste, but the intelligence loss, the emotional loss, the loss to the family is the hidden waste, loss to the nation. Cost of quality consists of these three things: prevention cost, appraisal cost, and failure cost, right? And the failure cost consists of internal failure and external failure. So cost of quality or cost of poor quality, it cost the company for the consequences of producing and generating poor quality. Because if you produce poor quality and deliver, it costs the company. So in that sense, the another name of cost of quality is cost of poor quality. Cost of prevention, what it includes, it mentioned cost of cost of detecting the defect, cost of scrap and rework, and then the cost of warranty. Prevention cost related to administration, marketing, design, purchase, operations, etc. So various techniques of TQM are being applied, are being used in relation with prevention cost. That means the efforts which are used by all department, administrative department का भी effort होना चाहिए. Marketing department will develop a QFD tool. Design related people will also work. Purchase related people will also work for preventing defects, for preventing errors. Operation related. So these are the costs which are incurred to prevent the defects. This is the appraisal cost. Operation related costs, then the uh, I, I, I mean all various costs related to purchasing, various activities are mentioned. I am not reading. Appraisal costs related to field trial, inspection cost, and internal failure cost. Product fails internally before shipment. अगर हमने डिसाइड किया है कि कल हमें प्रोडक्ट की डिलीवरी करनी है, but the defect is found. So in order to correct the defect, the operator is busy in repairing, in reprocessing, reworking. That means it is a failure. Product fails before shipment. And when you are involved, your manufacturing department is involved in reprocessing, recorrecting. Obviously, the resources are being deployed for that. So it costs the company. Product fails before shipment, internal failure. So all various kind of costs are mentioned. Product fails after shipment. So that means external failure. Product fails after delivery. Many times we have seen the example. That means some kind of model of XYZ company is recalled from customer क्योंकि उसमें ऐसा देखा गया कि क्रैंकशाफ्ट या स्टीयरिंग में कुछ डिफेक्ट थी, तो जो वो डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट डिलीवर की गई थी 50 या 75 और 100 मॉडल, उसको फिर से मंगवाया गया कंपनी में. सो दैट इज अ बिग लॉस, बिकॉज लॉस ऑफ कस्टमर गुडविल. क्योंकि आपको कस्टमर को लगेगा कि ये कंपनी ने ये क्या किया, ऐसी डिफेक्टिव प्रोडक्ट हमें, इट कॉस्ट वेरी मच अमाउंट ऑफ थिंग. सो nowadays the company are doing a project in order to assess cost of poor quality. I mean they are required to study each and every manufacturing thing, and they will try to find out what is prevention cost, what is the appraisal cost, what are the internal failure cost, what are the external failure costs. And if you find that the internal and external failure cost is too much, then what happens? Your the cost of prevention and cost of appraisal would be less. So that shows that more efforts for preventing defects are required. So if you invest in prevention of accident, prevention of a defect, your failure would be less. This is the simple diagram what we have said something. On x-axis, we have conformance level, 0% conformance level, 100% conformance, that means maximum. Conformance level means product conforms to the customer and design specification. From customer specification, what they want, the design department will develop design specification. इतना tolerance चाहिए, ये diameter चाहिए, ये जो आपका assembly है. That means the product should conform to the specification. On y-axis cost. Now you can first refer the failure cost curve. It is going like this, from this to this. Failure cost are observed very high in the beginning, right? And then gradually the failure cost is seen as decreasing. And you can see the prevention cost, which was just near to zero in the beginning, that has started gradually increasing. So what happened? The management and the employee of the company found that our failure costs are very high. Internal failure and external failure costs are very high. You can see these are the highest as shown. So then they thought that now we should apply new quality management initiatives, TQM and all these things. If we apply, prevention cost increases. If we apply all these things, 5S, Six Sigma, ISO 9000 certification, ISO 14000, TPM, the cost of prevention and the appraisal cost should increase. Previously, it was zero. And because it was zero, the failure costs were high. So when it was observed that the failure cost, total failure cost is too high, the management started awakening that they decided now we should implement TQM, otherwise we will not stand anywhere. So because of that thought, the prevention and the appraisal cost started cropping. So as and when the efforts for preventing defects, preventing accidents, etc., will gradually increase, the failure cost will decrease. So that is this diagram. This is theory. What is difference between quality control and TQM? Right? So this is theory. Then what is the meaning of TQM? Total means everyone should be involved. This represents inclusive of everything that a company does. All department, all employee, all machinery are involved. That is means total. This is shown by the diagram. Customers are involved, suppliers are involved, all departments are involved. And then quality. Customers should be provided with a better quality product and services that meet or even exceed expectation. Management. The way quality, total quality is conducted in experience. Total balancing and satisfying needs quality. Our focus is customer focus management. Continuous improvement of our processes and product with fact and data based decision. We should work with the data. This is the diagram of the same book from Mohanty. I think in very rare book I have seen the definition of TQM by means of diagram. This is begin and ends with customer. This is theory, total quality management system, a Japanese management system which is aimed at continuous improvement, product, people, processes, right? So this is a continuous improvement in process activities, people, services, and product. Deming Price Committee has given a very good practical definition of TQM. A set of activities carried out by the entire organization. Every department must be involved to effectively and efficiently achieve company objectives so as to provide products and services with a level of quality that satisfies customers at appropriate time and price. So this is all words are very simple. We have to convert proper input into proper output, which are the various departments these are involved. These are all various elements of TQM, philosophical elements, generic tools of QC department. Input and output model. If we give proper input to our production manufacturing system, you will have proper output in the form of quality, time, customer satisfaction, business results, and human resource. These are all various kind of performance measures, and these are the input. So the input on the left hand side and the output on the right hand side. some of the people have suggested some model which is is about passion, is about pride. Various departments are involved. Process management in TQM practice is very simple: input and output, and we have got the conversion process and the customer satisfaction, and which goes the input for the process. We are supposed to get the input from customer for this one, and you can see total quality management जो आपका ब्लॉक देख रहे हैं हम लोग, वो ब्लॉक पहले नहीं था. वो TQM जब इंट्रोड्यूस हुआ उसके पहले नहीं था. So now we can see various in that block, various techniques of TQM are mentioned. So all these techniques are should be applicable at process management phase. If we improve the processes, our business processes, our transformation activities, our operational activities, by applying all techniques of TQM, then we can get proper customer satisfaction. तो ये ब्लॉक जो हम देखते हैं वो पहले नहीं था. These are all quality management concept in technical education system. So why TQM is essential in technical education system? The reasons are mentioned: entry of new colleges, global competition, emergence of knowledge management, change in needs of the students and industry, change in government policy. This leads to TQM. So these are some of the basic concept of quality. Institute must be high ranking. These 4-5 slides I have taken that illustrate that quality management is equally applicable to service sector, that means the technical education system. When TQM was introduced, it has started its application in manufacturing, then it spread in other things. Cause and effect diagram for analyzing the problem. Poor performance in teaching learning process. Design of curriculum, faculty, these are these subheads. The team, through brainstorming, will have to identify what are the various reasons so that we can improve the effect. That means the poor performance in teaching. This is TQM in technical education. Students and other things, as you can see, various elements. SWOT analysis is helpful in order to improve the quality of the end product and the process itself. So these SWOT analysis, TQM building block model, these are given in the book. From that book, I have prepared TQM building block model for the technical education system. So this is umbrella definition of TQM, roadmap for TQM. If we refer the books of TQM, some roadmap philosophy is given. So these are having some steps, right? I am not going through this one. This is not the standardized one. It depends from industry to industry. This first one is develop a culture of listening to the expectation of customers, what customers want, and then you go step by step, set measures. That means set performance measures. Some of the measures, if I will again show you, and then measure the business results, and then review and reward. So these are some of the things. Stages of development during TQM implementation. Very simple diagram. There are in fact 4 stages which are shown. In first stage, first one you can see, you can see that the employee is looking in different direction, right? The goal was not that much clear. TQM was just introduced, right? The implementation is started implementation. Then the stage 2, by proper training and other thing, everybody started looking in the same direction. That is the goal setting, MBO and other thing. We know many words, and slowly, through experience and as the year passes, everybody uh, sees in the same direction. So the goals are aligned with your activities, like that. So that's why in order to achieve the results of TQM, it needs 2 to 3 years. If the company is small scale, less time is required. If the company is large, obviously many operations, many people, many departments. So the time required for large scale industry is somewhat more. So TQM is not a quick fix. Total quality management, if you get the result, it requires time. This is one of the reasons for that. The TQM implementation strategy, you can see 5S policy. So when we are supposed to apply the thing, 5S is applied first, then Six Sigma. Many of us know the reason because it is for the housekeeping and workplace. These are performance indicators for measuring results of TQM. I have mentioned some of the things. Quality. If you want to measure quality, measure scrap level, measure waste reduction. Because if we say that we are improving, obviously we may be improving, but we have to measure it because management, TQM, total quality and management, fact and database management. So we want to capture the data, we want to capture the fact. So all these things is a human resource. If you want to measure time, throughput time is reduced, delivery speed is increased, supplier lead time is reduced, right? Business results are improved. And you can see governance and social responsibility. This is also mentioned. Environmental and regulatory compliance, ISO 14,000. This is also there, but there is no time. If I want to cover all tools of new trends, it requires 3 to 4 hours. Financial audit result, community services. Now, this government and social, it is known as CSR, corporate social responsibility. मैंने आपको पहले दिखाया था परफॉर्मेंस एक्सेलेंस मॉडल. If the company has to apply for getting any kind of model, national award like the Rajiv Gandhi Award model, Ramkrishna Bajaj Award model, Golden Peacock the award model for manufacturing and for service sector, ये होना चाहिए. Each and every model is having their own elements. Customer focus 15%, process management 15%, marketing 10%, profit और भी कुछ है. I mean the supplier quality 10% and CSR 15%. अगर आपने वो नहीं दिखाया तो आपको अवार्ड नहीं मिलेगा. So the industry or the enterprise is supposed to get and deliver the profit to the shareholders and other thing, but what you are doing for the society, अगर ये आपने ये एक्टिविटी आपने की नहीं होगी, नहीं की होती है, so then award is not get. So that award, most of the award are having these percentage, 10 या 15%, I don't remember exactly, but each and every model is. So nowadays you can see the industry are diverting their some amount of profit for the society. Nowadays we are seeing to a large scale by many of the well-managed business houses are helping the people who are in like this. So that is what this thing. Other thing you can measure performance characteristics or metrics to be benchmarked. Quality, skilled worker, defect prevention, etc. How you can measure the efficiency, this one reliability, then flexibility, capacity, customer satisfaction, sample of data, all these things. I will share some of the slides. I will mail and then share to Shinde Saab. Points of care while implementing TQM. TQM is not a quick and easy solution, right? Then this is some roadway. You start from the vision, determination of customer requirement, set the process measure and performance indicators. What we have, I have shown some of the things. Determine process, redesign, and other thing. This is how the business performance, how you can. These all these things I have shared. I have taken from the book, right? And this diagram, as you can see, which was published. This book was published around 15 years ago. I think US based book. I don't remember exactly. And you can see key performance metrics. 15-17 साल पहले का ये book है. उसमें उन्होंने लिखा है साइकिल टाइम एंड सिक्स सिग्मा क्वालिटी, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, फाइनेंशियल
Yes.
परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर। सो वो ऑथर ने भी वहां पे इंपॉर्टेंस थ्रस्ट दिया था साइकिल टाइम, इफ यू वांट टू improve or reduce the cycle time lean manufacturing, and if you want to improve the quality six sigma। तो 17-18 साल पहले भी ऑथर ने क्वाइट इंपॉर्टेंस दिया था ये परफॉर्मेंस मेट्रिक को, साइकिल टाइम एंड which is can be attacked, which can be tackled by lean manufacturing and six sigma। Then advantages, obviously these are all we know, is it reduce, try to reduce the scrap, promotes, do we try it first time every time, these I will share, क्योंकि ये अगर रीड करूंगा इसका कोई मतलब है, that anybody can read। Advantages are mentioned, tangible benefit, you can reduce the quality cost, because if you implement TQM, prevention cost is increased, the appraisal cost is enhanced, but आपका internal and external failure cost I mean lower down होगा, so that means quality cost is reduced, cost of quality or cost of the poor quality is improved, is reduced। Intangible benefit, participation, these are all common words, this is something else। Limitations, it is not a programmed approach, rather philosophical in nature, that means people are saying that we are continuously improving, right? So in that sense it is limitation, it is not a it cannot show dramatic result, but obviously it requires time to achieve the result। अगर आज आपने TQM जो जो टूल टेक्निक इंट्रोड्यूस किया, अब आप चाहते हैं कि 4 महीने में रिजल्ट मिले, इट इज नॉट प्रॉपर, इट not I mean limitations, some of them mentioned। Reliance Industry has quality policy, Mukesh Ambani ji has shown, this is the quality policy of Birla Cellulosic Gujarat। This is based at Kharach village, which is 35 kilometers away from Surat। Aditya Birla Group, they have that signed by the chairman or whatever MD in 2007। Integrated quality, environmental, occupational health and safety HR policy, these are their core values: integrity, commitment, Ekrupta, Gatisashilta, they have vision and mission. Mission I am showing. This is the world-class quality model which is being deployed by this organization. And Ultratech Cement Amreli, this is the example of the vision and mission, which is situated at in Gujarat, uh, some 400 kilometers from Ahmedabad। These are all techniques of TQM, Kaizen, 5S, TPM। अगर यहाँ से मुझे पूरा टेक्निक कवर करना है, जस्ट इंट्रोडक्शन, which are the basic element, it required 2 to 3 hours, 3 hours, just some of the name I am reading: Kaizen, 5S, Kaizen means for continuous improvement, we know, 5S, Seri, Siso, Siton, Shiketsu, Shitsuke, Seri, these all words we are familiar, quality function deployment, QFD, multidisciplinary approach, which involve cross-functional team from which consist of people from design, manufacturing, marketing, sales after service, manufacturing, material, sales. They form to develop a house of quality matrix, QFD matrix, which encompasses your product design features. You will also consider what your competitors are offering, and then you develop the proper weightage, and the result says that what weightage you should give for your technical descriptors. So that is a structure flow. Okay, just in time, quality circle, zero defect program, Six Sigma. These are ISO 9000, right? So now at the end, I will just, if the time is there, I will show some of um, the 500 slide hai. You can just see these are all the things. If we start, it required 3 hours. But in a glimpse, you can just see these 5S is running Kaizen, what is the philosophy of Kaizen, and that at the end, देखिए मेरे पास ये जो आपको जो मैं एक सिंपल एग्जांपल दिखाता हूँ, दिस इज द काइजन फिलोसफी। जब जो हमारे वर्कर को जो मैनेजमेंट सिखाना चाहता है कि भाई काइजन क्या है, वो हमारे वर्कर भी बहुत इंटेलिजेंट है, बट वर्कर का जो एजुकेशन लेवल इतना नहीं भी हो सकता है, बिकॉज इनको इतना मतलब दे कुड नॉट गेट दैट एक्सपोजर। तो उनको काइजन के बारे में बताना है तो वो दिखाते हैं। दिस इज सिंपल एग्जांपल बिफोर काइजन। A ship, a pool was used to remove insects from the ship body. So one person was employed who just pushes the heads of the ship down to, with the help of which the ship head will submerge into the water, and the water is mixed with insecticide. तो वो जो इसका जो impurity हो निकल जाएगा। अभी क्या किया गया, एक simple pit was done, so which is a simple improvement, small improvement, and which eliminates the need of the person. Small thing. So without investment, by your common sense, by using 7QC tool, by your experience, how you can continuously improve. So these are all so many diagrams I am having, and that but it required time because so now this is, I think I will end over here because this is simple, very good example which you can see. A dog was there. The dog find the bone on the other side of the fence. So dog tried jumping over the fence, and by dispersion he failed. He could not succeed. Then he tried digging under the fence, and then also the dog failed. But finally, in desperation, he started walking and found a way across the bone by chance. वो नीचे से गया और he got the object finally in which that dog was interested in getting the thing, that was the bone. वो आप देख सकते, so happy Fido uh, gets the bone, right? And then the next day the dog will adopt the same way, because what is the reason? Because he will probably adopt the same route, because uh, now this one was simpler way, वो उसको दिखाई नहीं दिया, right? But never, because not never but no, because the Fido has tasted success. उसको ये था कि नीचे से जाऊंगा वो तो सक्सेस मिल जाता है, and he was contented, he was satisfied, because that dog has tasted the success. Therefore it is a philosophy, success kills creativity. If we say that we are no improvement is required and we are contented, we are satisfied, we are killing our creativity. So that kills this. So question we need to ask ourselves, constantly creative, try to find out improvement, continuous improvement, Kaizen way, not by going for much capital investment and like that. So therefore is there a better, simpler way to do things? ये जो सेंटेंस है ना वो हमको वर्क स्टडी याद दिलाएगा. Is there a better way to do the job? Is you can combine turning and semi-turning and form this rearrange the operation. Method study के चार्ट हम देखिए, फ्लो प्रोसेस चार्ट, ऑपरेशन प्रोसेस चार्ट, ओपीसी, तो ये हमें दिखाता है कि चाहे भी हम कितना ये करें, बट अवर लैंड शुड बी on our अर्थ. हमें हमारी संस्कृति नहीं भूलनी चाहिए, ये दिखाता है. तो यहाँ पे मेथड स्टडी आया. Is there a better, simpler way to do the things, even when it has all been success so far? So this is what thing. So many other thing, which is, I think this is Kaizen, and you can see this is the Kaizen sheet, right? When we assign the student to the BTech group of 4 students, they go to the industry, they study the Kaizen, they apply the Kaizen, and then they develop the sheets like this, which include the present status, the problem, identification of causes, the analysis, why analysis, and net saving. You can see some thousand saving is done, right? So small saving, but no doubt small saving, but these are achieved by large number of people on a continuous basis, in an orderly basis, step by step manner. So even every worker become Kaizen conscious, improvement conscious by saving 4,000, 5,000. So that is also required, because if you want to save so many things, and then you can say that I want a 10 lakh machine, and then you can improve the sort of utilization of your machine shop by employing CNC machine. Your management will not sanction the amount. But if you apply work sampling technique, the traditional industrial technique, with the help of which you can enhance the utilization of machine, that is more acceptable in the recessionary period. So that is the Kaizen way, and that is the another one is the innovation way. So that is all. Thank you very much. And any questions, please?
Student,
Going to the question.
yes sir, yes sir.
Any question, you then we will
Yes,
start.
student, do you have any question? If you have a question, please raise your hand. Kurekar.
In the context of quality management, one of the important method is Taguchi method, which I have used for material quality improvement, and I got very good results while I have worked on silicon. And I think this is the one of the simplest method around, which can be adapted by many of the people while working regularly. So can you, I mean, go ahead and recommend the Taguchi method for this?
For which one, sir? The
Sir, it was for
Taguchi.
quality. Yeah.
Yes, it is. It is very well. This Taguchi method was developed by Genichi Taguchi of Japanese, is a quality guru.
Yeah.
And he described the quality loss function. And he said that if you produce wrong quality, it is the loss to the society. And there
correct.
he developed that expression, very good expression. So this is rightly used in the industries nowadays. Taguchi loss function. And if
I think
right,
implementing, Six Sigma with that will be much pretty easy.
Pretty good, yes.
Right, sir.
Because you need to. The thing is like, in order to improve the quality, people go on experimenting like anything. So reduced number of experiments with optimized quality can be done with the Taguchi method.
Correct.
Right.
So we need not conduct so many experiments. There are certain orthogonal arrays which have been designed by him, and those orthogonal arrays are the best way to design an experiment as far as Box and Beckins is concerned. I think that is one of the mention which I can make for this kind of seminar. And if you have some slides pertaining to Taguchi, I'll be much interested in
I will
getting
find
through.
I will share with Sindeji. I may be having some slide.
Please.
Definitely.
Okay.
Sir.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Professor Kurekar. Professor Mangesh Jadhav, please raise your question.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, I have a question regarding standardization. Now, almost all quality management techniques, in this case TQM, is having some focus on standardization. But sir, do you feel that standardization can reduce creativity and innovation?
Standardization of specifically what do you mean to say? Standardization?
Sir, like we have established some standardized process. So once it has been standardized by the management, then some person on the floor, for example, manager might not think that how to optimize this particular process. So is it a hurdle to creativity or innovation?
No, actually, you see, standardized operating procedure SOPs are required thing nowadays in the industry. Right? So SOPs, when these are used, I don't think it will be a great hurdle to the creativity, because it shows the right path. Now, let us take the simple practical example of 5S. The 5S, Seri, Citon, Shiso, and Shiketsu. Now, Shiketsu means standardization. So
Yes.
you can see the role of Japanese people. They were the first to develop this procedure. Of course, no mathematics is there, but why they introduced the step of standardization? Because they say that if we do not standardize our improved procedure, then we will forget the thing, right? So standardization in that is required. And what the last step, what was there after standardization is habit formation discipline, that is Shitsuke.
Yes.
So you can
Okay.
see that standardization generally will not for all the if we I mean when we use ISO 9000 or the environmental standardized procedure ISO 14000, it is not, we cannot say that it will only kill the creativity. Yeah, we have to be very familiar with this thing. So SOPs are always developed and practically used by the workers and also in the shop floor level.
Sir, I will put in
Thank
another
you.
way.
Right, sir.
It's a part of the quality process only.
It's a
But,
part of quality.
yeah, if you want to go for the quality aspects, then we have to standardize the process. So unless and until we will not standardize the process, we cannot achieve the highest level of the quality. Be like that. Do you agree
Okay.
with me, sir?
Thank you, sir.
So
Thank you.
I think, sir, I will conclude and then we will switch over to your Kavya. So, Professor Desai, this was a very good session on this quality management. And quality management is not only required for the industrial engineering or the mechanical engineering or production engineering, but it is required in the every field of industrial sector, that is hardware and software. We can say that the quality is not a destination, but it is a journey. So you have very nicely presented, because as far as my knowledge is concerned, this is your area, and Professor Desai is the ocean of this particular kind of slides or the knowledge. So he tried on his level best to conclude that session within 1 hour. So for that, thank you so much, sir. And I would like to again hand over the mic to you for your further which is the amusement session. I would like to request the participants. It is extremely sorry, in this lockdown period, I cannot provide you tea, coffee, or whatever the snacks. So my humble request is that you can take a bite at your home and enjoy the further session, which is half an hour, and that is the complete is the amusement session. This in this amusement session, the Professor Desai will do a Kavya Pathan, because he is a poet of Hindi and Gujarati Kavita. So he will be presented some of the good Hindi Kavita before us in the sort of the Hindi Kavya Pathan. And so it's a fan of Mukesh, and he used to sing many songs, professionals in a manner in which the professional singer sings that particular song. So I will request him to sing that particular song also. I will give my
Right.
my demand after the Kavya Pathan, but I will hand over the mic to you right now, sir, for your Hindi Kavya Pathan. So my request is that, with my request on behalf of all the participants, you please start your Kavya Pathan now, sir. Thank you so much.
The
Okay,
time
thank you.
आज कोरोना महामारी जो एपिडेमिक से हम बहुत चिंतित है, चाहे आप चिंतित हो या न हो, आप आज हम या आप कोरोना महामारी कोरोना एपिडेमिक से, चाहे आप चिंतित हो या न हो, चाहे आप थोड़ा सा भ्रमित हो या न हो,
वेरी गुड,
बहुत दिनों बाद आप शहर की भीड़, धूप, धुआं, कोलाहल, शोर से गांव की सुंदरता की थोड़ी बात करना चाहता हूं, क्योंकि ये काव्य है तो हर प्रकार के रंग, श्रृंगार, रस आते हैं.
यस यस,
कोलाहल, शोर से गांव की और हमारे कदम पहुंचे हैं. नहीं पहुंचे तो इमेजिन कीजिए कि पहुंच रहे हैं. हम अपने गांव पहुंच गए हैं. गांव की गोरी के रूप लावण्य को हम देख रहे हैं. गांव की गोरी की सुंदरता को हम देखेंगे. गांव की गोरी के रूप वैभव से हम और आप आंखों के जो इशारे से आश्चर्यचकित हो या न हो, ये देखो प्रास है, चिंतित, भ्रमित और गांव की गोरी की सुंदरता से आश्चर्यचकित हो या न हो, गांव की गोरी के रूप वैभव से हम और आप उनके जो आंखों के इशारों से आश्चर्यचकित हो या न हो, गांव की गोरी की सुंदरता से, उनकी प्यार भरी नजर से हम और आप लज्जित हो या न हो, गांव की सुंदर गोरी की सुंदरता से, उनकी संस्कारिता से, उनकी लज्जा से हम और आप सुशोभित हो या न हो, सुशोभित। गांव की गोरी की सुंदरता, सादगी, सौंदर्य हमारे ऊपर एक अमिट छाप छोड़ जाती है। गांव की गोरी की आंखें हमको और आपको कुछ कहना चाहती है। गांव की गोरी संग आप संवाद रचाओ या न रचाओ, गांव की गोरी संग आप संवादित हो या न हो, देखिए संवादित शब्द है, संवादित हो या न हो, आप चिंतित हो या न हो, आप भ्रमित हो या न हो, आप आश्चर्यचकित हो या न हो, आप लज्जित हो या न हो, आप सुशोभित हो या न हो, लेकिन कोरोना महामारी, कोरोना एपिडेमिक से संक्रमित तो बिल्कुल न हो।
वेरी गुड, क्या बात है सर, वेरी गुड।
हमारे गुलजार साहब ने कहा है, चूम लेता हूं हर मुश्किलों को मैं अपना मानकर, जिंदगी कैसी भी है आखिर है तो मेरी ही। ये जो महामारी है उससे हमें लड़ना है, महामारी कैसी भी है तो अपनी ही। गोपाल दास नीरज ने कहा है, गीत छंद काव्य जब मर जाएंगे तो क्या यहाँ रह जाएगा, एक सिसकता आंसुओं का कारवां रह जाएगा, और मोहब्बत की धरती गर बारूद से बांटी गई, मोहब्बत की धरती गर बारूद से बांटी गई तो एक मुर्दा शहर दरमिया रह जाएगा।
क्या बात।
कविता वो है जो शब्द में जान डाल दे, गीत संगीत श्रृंगार नृत्य वो है जो इंसान में चेतना जगा दे। इसलिए आजकल 2-2.5 महीने से कई सारे लोग संगीत या उस जो काव्य रचना में उसमें डूबे हैं, थोड़ा बहुत आंतरिक आनंद आता है। पत्थरों के दिल भी धड़कने लग जाए, कुछ और ना सही ना सही, कुछ क्षण तो कविता किया कीजिए, कुछ क्षण तो कविता सुन लिया कीजिए, कुछ क्षण तो काव्य पाठ किया कीजिए। जीने के बहाने बहुत है, रिसर्च के बहाने बहुत है, अभ्यास के बहाने बहुत है, कुछ शब्दों के संग, कुछ शब्दों के संग, कुछ हिंदी मुहावरों के संग, कुछ देशभक्ति गीतों के संग भी मोहब्बत किया कीजिए।
क्या बात।
अभी कुछ और देखता हूँ क्या आता है। हमारे छात्र हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं तो उनके लिए
यस सर,
कुछ
अच्छा रहेगा।
उर्दू, जो उर्दू में 1-2 मतलब रोमांटिक कविता है, बाद में आता हूँ। उर्दू के बहुत सारे शब्दों का हिंदी में भी प्रयोग होता है।
यस।
हिंदी व उर्दू भाषा आपस में बहनों के समान है। मेरी यह रचना में मैंने कुछ उर्दू शब्दों का प्रयोग किया है। जो उर्दू शब्द है, बसत खुलूस, बसत एह तमाम पैदा कर, ये एक्चुअली क्या है, सामने अगर मैं सामने हूँ, आप सामने हो और माइक अच्छा हो तो वो गीत की क्वालिटी भी आती है, बट फिर भी जो है वो ठीक है। बसत खुलूस, बसत एह तमाम पैदा कर, खुलूस मतलब गुड बिहेवियर, गुडनेस, काइंडनेस। एह का मतलब नया वक्त, नया समय का गीत। बसत खुलूस, बसत एह तमाम पैदा कर, खामोशियों में भी शान कलाम पैदा कर।
क्या बात।
खामोशियों में भी शान कलाम पैदा कर, जहां में बसती है वैसे एक दुनिया, जहां में बसती है वैसे एक दुनिया। मजा तो तब है कि इस संस्थान में, इस IIE में से उत्तीर्ण होकर एक नया नाम पैदा कर।
क्या बात।
मजा तो तब है कि फिर दुनिया में तू अपना नाम पैदा कर। कमाल ये है कि तू दुराचार, गुस्से, आक्रोश, कुसंस्कारिता पे अपना काबू रख। तू तहे में मतलब वक्त में, तहे उर्दू शब्द है, तू तहे में, वक्त में एक नयाम पैदा कर। नयाम मतलब काम करने की अच्छी धगश, पैशन, जोश। और गई रुतों पे बहुत हो चुका अफसोस अब। गई रुतों, गया गया वक्त,
गया
और
वक्त। हाँ,
गई रुतों पे बहुत हो चुका अफसोस अब। नया जमाना, नई उम्मीदें, नई सुबह शाम पैदा कर।
क्या बात।
तू तहे में, वक्त में अपना एक नयाम पैदा कर। अंतिम पंक्तियां है, और मकाम कब हासिल होता है यूं आसानी से कब किसी को। और मकाम हासिल कब होता है यूं आसानी से कब किसी को। तू अपने फन से अपना नया मकाम पैदा कर। तू
क्या
अपनी इंडस्ट्रियल इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज से इंडस्ट्री में वो नया काम पैदा कर। बसत खुलूस बसत ए तमाम पैदा कर। अभी एक जो और रचना है एनवायरमेंट पे।
जी।
दुनिया में इतने रिश्ते हैं, वह फिलोसॉफी पे आके मैं आपको आता हूँ दूसरे उसमें।
जी सर।
माँ से बड़ा दुनिया में कोई रिश्ता नहीं है। पद्मश्री सुरेंद्र दुबे जी की पंक्ति है, माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। मैंने पर्यावरण में के विषय में उससे रचना की है, जो आपके सामने रखता हूँ। माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। धरती माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। धरती को चीरा, पेड़ पौधों को अनगिनत रूप से काटा, नदियों सरोवरों को दूषित किया, भगवान विघ्नहर्ता की अनगिनत मूर्तियों को नदियों में फेंका। मैं गणेश जी का बहुत बड़ा भक्त हूँ। जब भी III ऑफिस में आता हूँ, कोई गलत मत समझे, प्रभाकर जो अपना
सिद्धिविनायक
प्रभारी,
मंदिर, सिद्धिविनायक मंदिर में जाते हैं आप?
अभी भी जाता हूँ। फिर से अगर वहां आना हुआ, पहले वहां जाके, और जो जो हमारी III की ऑफिस है, वहां जैसे आप एंटर होते हो, गणपति भगवान विघ्नहर्ता की मूर्ति है,
जी जी।
उनको पहले जाके मेरे चप्पल उतार के नमन करता हूँ। मतलब ये हमारे सूरत में भी जो गणपति उत्सव है ना, उसके ऊपर भी मैंने कविता रची है, बट वो समय नहीं है, क्योंकि
जी।
इसके बाद में 1-2 गीत पेश करूंगा। तो इतने उनकी नदियों की मूर्ति को, विघ्नहर्ता की मूर्ति को काट के हम फेंक देते हैं। तो ये जो है, नदियों सरोवरों को दूषित किया, भगवान विघ्नहर्ता की अनगिनत मूर्तियों को नदियों में फेंका, पानी को लाल पीला हरा नीला कर छोड़ दिया। धरती में हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। गर्मी से है त्रस्त लोग, आज सुबह 9 बजे भी गर्मी लगती है। गर्मी से है त्रस्त लोग, अतिवृष्टि में बह गए कितने। कैंसर, डेंगू आदि व्याधि उपाधि, कोरोना से कितने मरे। बच्चे मरे, बूढ़े मरे, नौजवान मरे, यहाँ मरे वहां मरे। बच्चों की अकाल मृत्यु से माँ की आंखें स्तब्ध, माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन।
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात है।
प्रतिमा हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। लोग उदास, हर फूल हर कली उदास, तरुवर त्रस्त, हर कली मुरझाई। कहीं 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 दिए तो कहीं बुझ गई शहनाई।
वेरी नाइस।
कहीं दिए तो कहीं बुझ गई शहनाई। कितने बह गए, चिड़िया चह गई, जाते जाते कुछ कह गई। कुछ यहाँ मरे, कुछ वहां मरे, चह देने नहीं कोई पास। चह देने नहीं कोई,
नहीं कोई
अंतिम
पास।
संस्कार कोई नहीं कोई पास। धरती माँ हो गई उदास, धरती माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन। धरती माँ हो जाएगी मौन तो बोलेगा कौन।
क्या बात है।
कविता तो इतनी है कि 1 घंटे तक भी नहीं। गांव के ऊपर भी कविता है। एक कविता सुनने के बाद
जी सर।
मैं 1-2-3 गीत पे ऊपर जाता हूँ।
जी, फरमाइश मैं करूंगा सर आपको।
हाँ जरूर सर।
जी।
शहरीकरण, पैसे कमाने की अप्रतिम हद से ज्यादा चाह, वनों का विनाश, विकास की अंधाधुंध दौड़ के पीछे इस देश का इंसान दौड़ता चला गया। पैसे कमाने की होड़ मतलब झड़प, कुछ हद तक बेईमानी की राह चुनना, वनों का विनाश करना, ऊंची इमारतें खड़ी करता रहना, वस्ती विस्फोट जैसी गंभीर समस्या को नजरअंदाज करने से हमारे देश के गांव मिटते चले गए और बड़े बड़े शहर बसते चले गए। शहर में बसता हूँ, लेकिन आज भी मुझे मेरा गांव याद आता है। गांव की वो गलियां मुझे याद आती है। हमने कुछ दिनों से देख रहे हैं कि श्रमिक मजदूर और कामदार भाई बहन
जी
व्यथित होकर गांव की ओर दौड़ रहे हैं।
जी।
नॉर्मल परिस्थिति में वो गांव की ओर जाए हंसते खेलते, वो बात अलग है, बट शहर की ओर से वहां रह के दुख दर्द के साथ पैर पैदल चल के गांव की ओर जाते हैं, उनको अपना गांव याद आता है। वो मैं उसके ऊपर कविता है, याद आती है गांव के मेरे घर की वो गाय,
क्या बात,
गाय का गोबर, गोबर के कंडे, हमारे गुजरात में के गोबर ना छाना, गोबर के कंडे, कंडे का धुआं, तो हम वो कंडे को जलाते हैं, कंडे का धुआं, धुएं से जलती मेरी दादी की आंखें,
क्या बात है,
धुएं से जलती मेरी दादी की आंखें, मेरी दादी की वो जलती आंखें, दादी का झुर्रियों से भरा हुआ लाल चेहरा। पहले साल में आप जाइए, हमारी दादी को याद कीजिए, परदादा को याद कीजिए, दादी का झुर्रियों से भरा हुआ लाल चेहरा, दादी के उपसते हुए भरे भरे गाल, और स्नेह आशीर्वाद बरसाती उनकी आंखें, घी से भरी भरी बाजरे की रोटी और बेलोना की छाछ, खिले से बंधी गाय भैंस, गाय भैंसों का हंबरव। देखिए गाय भैंस भांभरती है, उसके ऊपर से शब्द है गाय भैंसों का हंबरव, सांझ दोहे हुए ताजे दूध की सुगंध, गाय भैंसों का हंबरव, मेरी दादी का वात्सल्य से भरा संभारव। एक ये प्रास है, गाय भैंसों का हंबरव और दादी का वात्सल्य से भरा संभारो। संभारो मतलब रिमेम्बरेंस, गाय भैंसों का हंबरव जो भंवरती है, उसके उससे ऊपर से मेरे शब्द है।
क्या बात है,
मेरे गांव के घर की भीतों के ऊपर गोबर के कंडे और मेरे गांव की वो गलियां, गलियों में शाम को जलता हुआ चूल्हा और गांव की गलियों में चूल्हे की वो धूम्रसेर,